In this video we are going to discuss about how to generate a QR code using Python. Just 10 to 5 line of code. So to generate the QR code we need a libraries. Okay, first we need to install the PyQR code. Okay, so to install this just write pip install. Okay, this sign and pip install PyQR code. Okay, and just run it. I have already installed that library, so they are showing the requirement is satisfied. Okay, so after the install library, so we need to also install this library PyPNG. Okay, because to save the images, okay, whatever the QR code is generated we need to save in PNG format. After that we need to import these libraries, import PyCode, import PNG, and from PyCode import QR code, okay, to generate the QR code. So let's suppose we want to generate the QR code google.com. okay, so this is a text which we want to generate the QR code, and this text is saved in the image in the form of QR code. I will be show you. So just write the website pycode.create and give the string which is given here. Next, to generate the QR code we need to write pyqr code.create, simple one line of code. Okay, so after that to save the image which is created by the QR code. Okay, so to save the create and save the file name is myqr.svg. okay, in the format, this is a format, you can also save any format like PNG and all. Okay, so and this is a SVG format. Okay, so this is a my QR code in the PNG format. So let's run all this code and let's check how the QR code is look like. First run this, import this library, run this string. You can write you can also write your name here. Okay, there is okay, this is a QR code to generate and to save the images. We want to save the image in a PNG format. Okay, so you can see here there is a PNG format image is saved here. Okay, so when we scan this from our mobile, you need to try it. At least you need to try it where you can scan this from your mobile scanner, and when you scan this you will be able to get google.com, and you can use these images in anywhere where you are required. Okay, there is some noise is coming, I think. Yeah, it is okay. So you can write also in this in your name, and whatever the thing you required you can write it, and you can simply generate any QR code from this code. Just 5 line of code. I think this is a library, so we do not count this is a code. Okay, so this is a string google.com. You can write also your name, whatever the thing is that. Okay, you can write any website, your website and all, your website name also. Okay, when we there is a mini website for converting the QR code. Let's see. Okay, so generate QR code. Okay, there is a website. Okay, to generate the QR code. Okay, so let's see this website. Okay, and if you have some idea how the thing will work, I think. Okay, choose camera or image, your online QR code scanner. I think this is a scanner. Let's see how to generate QR code with low. Okay, free online QR code generate. You can make a website like this. Okay, where you can if you customize this website, you can earn money. Here you can simply type your name. Okay, so let type my name, Khan Akbar. Okay, this is a QR code. Okay, QR code option. Okay, we can also, I think I don't QR code option. I have some color setting, and also okay we can also I think this is not possible. Yeah, you can also set the color of these images. Okay, so you can also make that type of website. Okay, which is yeah, this is a anchor frame. This is this I think, yeah. Let's see the background color. I want something like this. Just look like nice. I think, yeah. Look like good. Okay, so what you need, you can share this QR code, you can download this QR code, or you can simply, this is an image. Okay, so you can share. You can also make these types of website. We have seen the code, very least code is required. Okay, so this one is just like something JavaScript and JS query and HTML code is also. You can make a website for that. You can earn money from that website. Okay, it is very simple thing. Okay, so I think you understand how to generate QR code using Python. Just 5 lines of code, and stay tuned. I will be uploading more videos like that, some project also. So if you already not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe and click the bell icon, so you don't miss a update.